Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a golf green in your backyard. First, select a suitable location. Look for a spot that is relatively flat and receives good sunlight. Clear the area of any existing vegetation, rocks, or roots. Proper site preparation is crucial for a long-lasting and functional putting green. This initial step sets the foundation for the entire project, ensuring a smooth and stable base. Next, define your green's shape and install edging. This border will contain your base materials and give your green a professional look. Then, spread a 4-inch layer of crushed gravel, compacting it thoroughly. On top of that, add about 1 inch of fine sand, leveling it precisely. This multi-layered base provides excellent drainage and a stable foundation for your artificial turf. Now it's time to install the artificial turf. Unroll the turf slowly, ensuring it lies flat without wrinkles or creases. Carefully trim the edges to match your green's perimeter, using a sharp utility knife. Secure the turf firmly around the edges with landscape staples, spaced every 6 inches, or use a strong outdoor adhesive. This ensures the turf remains taut and professional looking. Finally, add the finishing touches to your backyard putting green. Use a golf cup cutter to create precise holes for your cups. Then, spread an infill material, such as silica sand, over the turf. This infill helps the fibers stand upright and provides a realistic ball roll. Brush the infill evenly into the turf, ensuring a consistent and playable surface. Enjoy your new green.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.